Hello everyone and welcome back.
We are very happy to see you today.
This is Real English Daily.
Your favorite place to learn simple English.
Today we have a very fun topic.
Yes, we do.
We will talk about travel and vacation.
Traveling is so much fun.
I love going to new places.
Do you like to travel too?
We will listen to many travel stories today.
You will learn new words for your next trip.
Before we start, please do us a favor.
Make sure to subscribe to the channel.
And like the video if you enjoy it.
It really helps us make more videos for you.
Are you ready to start learning?
I am ready, let us begin.
Situation 1. Planning a vacation.
Let us listen.
I want to go on a trip soon.
That is a great idea.
Where should we go?
I want to go to the beach.
The beach is nice and warm.
Yes, I love the sun.
Do you have free time next month?
I have 1 week free in July.
Perfect, I have free time too.
How many days do we want to stay?
Maybe we can stay for 5 days.
5 days is a good amount of time.
Should we fly or drive?
Let us fly on an airplane.
It is much faster that way.
I agree completely.
I will look for places to stay tonight.
Please find a place near the water.
I will try my best.
How much money should we bring?
Not too much, we can be careful.
Okay, let us look at the map later.
I am so excited for this trip.
Me too, it will be very fun.
We need a break from work.
Yes, a vacation is exactly what we need.
Situation 2. Booking a hotel room.
Let us listen.
Hello, I want to book a room please.
Hello, what dates do you need the room?
I need a room from July 10th to July 15th.
Let me check our computer.
Take your time.
Yes, we have rooms open.
That is wonderful news.
Do you want a big bed or 2 small beds?
1 big bed is fine for us.
Do you want a view of the sea?
Oh yes, how much does that cost?
It is $50 a night.
That is not too expensive.
It is a beautiful view.
Does the room have free internet?
Yes, the internet is free for all guests.
Is there a swimming pool?
We have a large pool outside.
Great, we will take the room.
Can I have your name, please?
My name is Emma Smith.
Thank you, Emma, your room is booked.
When can we arrive?
You can come after 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Perfect, see you in July.
Have a great day.
Situation 3. Packing a suitcase.
Let us listen.
We leave tomorrow morning.
I need to pack my bag now.
Did you bring your big suitcase?
No, I only have a small bag.
Are you sure that is enough?
Yes, I only need summer clothes.
What are you putting in your bag?
I have 3 shirts and 2 shorts.
Do not forget your swimming suit.
Oh, thank you, I almost forgot.
You always forget your swimming suit.
I know, I am glad you reminded me.
Did you pack your toothbrush?
Yes, it is in my small blue bag.
What about a warm jacket?
Why do I need a jacket for the beach?
It might be cold at night.
That is true, I will bring a light sweater.
Good idea, you never know the weather.
Are you finished packing your bag?
Almost, I just need to pack my shoes.
Do not bring too many shoes.
I am only bringing sandals and walking shoes.
Okay, we are ready for tomorrow.
Let us go to sleep early tonight.
Yes, we have an early morning.
Situation 4. Taking a taxi to the airport.
Let us listen.
The taxi is waiting outside.
I am coming down now.
Do you have all the bags?
Yes, I have both of our bags.
Hello driver, can we go to the airport please?
Yes, we are going to the main airport.
How long will it take to get there?
The driver says it will take 30 minutes.
Are there many cars on the road?
Traffic is not bad today.
That is good, we will not be late.
What time is our flight?
Our flight is at 10 o'clock.
We have plenty of time then.
I like to be early at the airport.
Me too, it is less stressful.
Look out the window at the tall buildings.
The city looks nice in the morning light.
I am so ready to relax.
We are almost at the airport now.
Which building do we need?
We need building number 2.
Okay driver, please stop at building 2.
Let me pay the driver.
Thank you for the ride.
Let us go inside and find our flight.
Situation 5. Checking bags at the airport.
Let us listen.
There is the desk for our airline.
There is a short line today.
That is lucky for us.
Hello, we are here to check our bags.
We are flying to the sunny island.
Security.
Oh no, I just bought this water.
You had to drink it now or throw it away.
I will drink it quickly.
Okay, step forward please.
Do I walk through the machine now?
Yes, wait for the green light.
It beeped loudly when I walked.
Do you have coins in your pocket?
Let me check my pocket.
Ah yes, you have a metal key.
I am sorry, I forgot about the key.
Put it in the box and walk again.
Okay, no beep this time.
Good job, grab your bags now.
Let me put my jacket back on.
Make sure you have your passport.
I have it in my hand.
Let us go find our gate.
Situation 7. Finding the airplane seat.
Let us listen.
They are calling our group to walk on the plane.
Have your ticket ready.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Welcome to the airplane.
What seat numbers do we have?
We have seats 12A and 12B.
Let us walk down the aisle.
Excuse me, we need to pass.
Here is row 12.
I will put my bag in the top bin.
Can you help me with my bag?
Yes, it is a little heavy.
Thank you for lifting it.
You can sit by the window.
I am so happy I got the window.
I do not mind the middle seat.
The seat belt is easy to use.
Make sure it is tight.
Are we going to take off soon?
I think in 10 minutes.
The pilot is speaking now.
He says the weather is perfect.
I will listen to music on my phone.
I am going to read my book.
Wake me up when we land.
I will do that. Have a nice sleep.
Situation 8. Arriving in a new city.
Let us listen.
We finally landed safely.
That was a long flight.
I feel very tired now.
Welcome to a new country.
Everything looks so different here.
We need to go to passport control.
Follow the green signs on the wall.
There is the officer.
Hello sir, here is my passport.
Why are you visiting today?
I am here for a vacation.
How long will you stay?
I will stay for 5 days.
Where are you staying?
At the Blue Ocean Hotel.
Okay, I will stamp your passport.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your trip.
Now we need to find our bags.
Our flight number is on screen 4.
Let us go wait by the belt.
There is my black bag.
And here comes my red bag.
We have everything we need.
Let us step outside into the sun.
The weather is incredibly warm here.
Situation 9. Checking into the hotel.
Let us listen.
This hotel is very beautiful.
Look at the flowers in the lobby.
I will speak to the front desk.
Hello, welcome to the Blue Ocean Hotel.
We have a room booked under Emma Smith.
Let me find your name.
We booked it a month ago.
Yes, here it is for 5 nights.
Can we pay now or later?
You can pay when you leave.
Oh, that is very nice.
Here is your room key.
What floor is our room on?
You are on the 4th floor.
Where are the elevators?
The elevators are behind you.
What time is breakfast tomorrow?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 in the morning.
Is breakfast included in the price?
Yes, it is free for our guests.
Thank you for all the information.
Someone will help you with your bags.
No, we can carry them ourselves.
Okay, have a wonderful stay.
Let us go see our new room.
I hope the bed is soft.
Situation 10. Asking for street directions.
Let us listen.
I want to see the old clock tower.
I think we are lost.
This street does not look familiar.
Let us ask someone for help.
Excuse me sir, can you help us?
Yes, what are you looking for?
We want to find the old clock tower.
Oh, you are walking the wrong way.
Really, we thought it was north.
No, it is in the center of town.
How do we get there from here?
Walk straight down this street for 2 blocks.
Then what do we do?
Turn right at the big bank.
Straight for 2 blocks, then right at the bank.
Yes, and you will see it in the park.
Is it far to walk?
It will only take 10 minutes.
Thank you very much for your help.
You are very welcome. Enjoy your walk.
Come on, let us walk faster.
I want to take a photo of the tower.
I hope the sun stays out.
I see the big bank ahead.
We just need to turn right now.
There is the tower. It is so tall.
Situation 11. Renting a car.
Let us listen.
We want to travel outside the city today.
We should rent a small car.
Here is a car rental shop.
Hello, how can I help you today?
We would like to rent a car for 1 day.
We have small cars and big cars.
A small car is good for us.
Can I see your driver license?
Yes, here is my license.
Do you want an automatic or manual car?
I only know how to drive automatic.
We have a nice white automatic car.
How much is it for one day?
It is $40 plus gas.
Do we need to bring it back full of gas?
Yes, please return it with a full tank.
What time do we have to return it?
Before 8 o'clock tonight, please.
That gives us plenty of time.
Please sign this paper here.
I signed my name at the bottom.
Here are your car keys.
Where is the car parked?
It is parked outside in spot number 3.
Thank you. Let us go for a drive.
I call the front seat.
Situation 12. Visiting a famous museum.
Let us listen.
This museum is very famous.
They have many old paintings here.
Let us buy our tickets.
Below 2 tickets for adults, please.
That will be $20 total.
Here is a $20 bill.
Thank you. Here is a map of the museum.
Where should we start?
Let us start on the first floor.
Look at this beautiful painting of a house.
The colors are so bright and happy.
The artist painted it many years ago.
It says he painted it in 1920.
That is more than 100 years ago.
Can we take photos here?
No, the sign says no photos allowed.
That is sad, but I understand.
Flash ruins the old paint.
Let us go to the second floor now.
They have old statues up there.
I love looking at statues.
This statue is made of white stone.
It looks very heavy.
I am getting a bit tired of walking.
Let us sit on this bench for a minute.
Museums are fun but tiring.
Situation 13. Going to the beach.
Let us listen.
The sun is shining today.
It is a perfect day for the beach.
Did you bring the towels?
Yes, I have 2 big towels.
Let us find a spot near the water.
How about right here on the soft sand?
This is a great spot.
I am going to put on some sunscreen.
Please put some on my back too.
You do not want to burn.
The water looks very clear.
Do you want to swim now?
The water might be a bit cold.
I will go in first to test it.
How does it feel?
It is cold, but it feels nice.
I will just put my feet in.
Come on, jump in the water.
Okay, I am coming in.
See, it is not too bad.
You are right, it is refreshing.
Look at those people playing volleyball.
That looks like a fun game.
I prefer to just relax and swim.
Let us dry off on the towels now.
The sun will dry us very fast.
Situation 14. Taking a boat ride.
Let us listen.
There are many boats by the dock.
Let us take a tour on the water.
Excuse me, how much is a boat tour?
It is $10 for 1 hour.
That sounds like a good deal.
We would like 2 tickets, please.
Step onto the boat carefully.
The boat is rocking a little bit.
Hold my hand so I do not fall.
Where should we sit?
Let us sit at the front of the boat.
We can see everything from there.
The driver is starting the engine.
The engine is very loud.
The wind feels nice on my face.
Look at those birds flying above us.
They are looking for fish in the water.
The town looks beautiful from the boat.
We can see all the colorful houses.
I will take a picture of you.
Make sure the water is in the background.
Smile for the camera.
The boat is going faster now.
I love moving fast on the water.
This was a wonderful idea.
I am glad we decided to do this.
Situation 15. Coming back home.
Let us listen.
It is time to leave the hotel.
I am sad our trip is over.
We had a really good time.
We saw many amazing things.
Did you double check the room?
Yes, I looked under the bed and in the bathroom.
Did we leave anything behind?
No, we have all our bags.
Let us give the key to the front desk.
Thank you for a lovely stay.
We hope you had a good time.
Yes, we loved our vacation here.
Our taxi is waiting outside.
Let us go to the airport.
The flight home will feel fast.
I cannot wait to sleep in my own bed.
My own bed is always the best.
Do we have to go to work tomorrow?
No, we have one more day to rest.
That is a relief. I am so tired.
I have many clothes to wash tomorrow.
We can do laundry together.
It is always nice to travel.
But it is also nice to come back home.
I agree completely.
Let us plan another trip next year.
We hope you enjoyed these conversations.
Traveling is a wonderful way to practice English.
You learned how to book a hotel room.
You learned how to talk at the airport.
And you learned how to ask for directions.
Practice these words before your next trip.
Speak them out loud with us.
It will help you remember them better.
If you liked this video, please subscribe.
Joining the channel is completely free.
Hit the like button to show your support.
We read all of your wonderful comments.
This is Real English Daily signing off.
Keep practicing your English every day.
We will see you in the next video.
Goodbye and safe travels.